We're taking you live to the fourth criminal court at the Palace of Justice in Damascus, where Wassim al-Assad is hearing the verdict in his trial. Let's listen in for just a moment.
Legal decision authorizing this. The witnesses should not reveal their addresses. The decision will also be transferred to the Missing People Department so that they can continue to look for the missing people in accordance with Law 2012. The defendant in person is able to have the right to go to the Court of Cassation.
Okay, so that was the courthouse in the Syrian capital, Damascus, where it's been announced that the cousin of the former president, Bashar al-Assad, and his name is Wassim al-Assad, has now been sentenced to death. So the court, and the three judges that were sitting right there delivered their verdict in the trial of Wassim al-Assad, who has been sentenced to death. We're going to bring in our correspondent, Obaida Hitto. Obaida, so now we have a verdict in the trial. This was pretty much expected, was it not?
Yeah, that's right. You can say this was expected. What's unexpected out of this verdict is that they found him innocent of these narco trafficking charges because there wasn't evidence to show that he was directly involved. The accusations against him in that regard were more about his role in the trafficking and securing the routes that were used to smuggle these narcotics from Syria into international markets, blackmailing people and extorting people on those in those networks. But he was found guilty of premeditated murder, as well as many other crimes committed against the Syrian people that amount to, according to what the judge said, war crimes. And he's been issued a death sentence. This is very significant because Wassim al-Assad is the first and only person from the Assad family that is facing these kinds of charges in person here in Syria. Bashar al-Assad was found guilty in absentia and sentenced to death. His cousin Maher al-Assad, the head of the 4th Division, was also found guilty and sentenced to death in absentia. But today, Wassim al-Assad is the first member of the Assad family to be found guilty of crimes against humanity and war crimes against the Syrian people and to be tried and sentenced in person here in Syria.
Okay, thank you so much, Obaida Hitto, reporting from Damascus.